Welcome to the Millenary Meetup 2024. Today I'll show you how to register for the conference. First, navigate to millenarymeetup.com and then click on Shop in our menu. Next, click on Select Options under MMU Registration. On the next page, scroll down to see all the steps in the process. First, select one of the 6 options for the 2-day class. Then select one of your options for 1-day class for Monday and 1-day class on Tuesday. Follow on for the skill classes. Next, look at the housing options. We offer 2 dormitories, Stewart House and Bill May dormitory, as well as options to stay off the campus. We encourage everybody to stay on the campus and enjoy making new friends with your fellow millionaires. Let me show you Bill May option, as it offers additional stay for Friday night. This stay requires you to be on the campus between 5 and 6 p.m. on Friday night to check in. Next, follow on the dietary restriction. If you don't see an option for yourself, don't worry. You can email us at info@millenarymeetup.com or add an additional comment during the checkout process. Would you like to participate in the hat contest? Yes, sign me in. This year's theme is sci-fi, and it's sponsored by Hatblocks Australia. Next, review and purchase. In this step, you can still edit your order, double check you have all your options that you need to select. And if you're staying in the multiple occupancy room, you can request a roommate that you would like to participate in the conference with. Add to cart. And once more, you can view the card here and review any specific options. If you don't see something that you like, you can go back. Proceed to checkout. Here, make sure you fill all your details, including your phone and email address. If you have anything else to add, please type in here for the order notes, and we will make sure we communicate with you about them. And then scroll down to payment. Importantly, make sure you check that you read and agree to the terms and conditions. You can view them here, or you can view them in a bigger window on our website under Terms and Conditions menu. Once you click that you read and agree to terms and conditions, you can proceed to PayPal and complete your registrations. Thank you so much, and we're looking forward to see you at MMU 2024.